Okay guys, welcome back to Improper Fractions, part 6 of the fractions list. And this is an exercise to help you understand it a little bit better so that you have somebody to work with you one-on-one. Pause the video, write down the problems, and let's get started. Okay, we learned that this top number here, if it's bigger than the bottom number, the denominator, that this is an improper fraction. In order to find the proper fraction, we have to divide, which we're going to look at a fraction as a division problem from now on, with the bottom number being what's going to divide into the numerator. Sorry, have hiccups. So we're going to go ahead and take the denominator and divide it into the numerator. And 4 goes into 6 one time. And then we're going to subtract that and have a remainder of 2. And usually with the remainders, we take it up here. We do not put a remainder like on regular division. This is fraction dividing. And then we're going to take the denominator and put it underneath. Now, I did this one on purpose because sometimes when you're learning, you forget that you will have to reduce. And we know that this is the correct answer. It is. It's 1 2/4. Okay, that is correct, but it can be reduced more, so we're going to do that. We're going to bring it over here. And we know that 2 can go to itself one time and into 4 twice, so it's going to be 1 1/2. Now it is a full-fledged completed fraction. Number 2, you have 15 over 2. Okay, now we need to be real careful and make sure we know our rules. What makes an improper fraction? A bigger number on top of the lower number. The higher number should always be on top of the fraction. Okay, so we're going to divide the bottom number, the denominator, into the top number, the numerator. And how many times can 2 go into 15? And that's 7 times. And we subtract that, and we get a 1 remainder. We know this isn't regular division, so we have to bring the 1 up here and then place the denominator underneath. And now we have the complete answer. It is a full reduced fraction. Okay, number 3, we're going to slide this up a little bit, is 5, and this is another example, 10 over 5. Now, sometimes you're not going to get a mixed number. And that's the answer we've been getting, is mixed. You got a whole number with a fraction. Sometimes it's going to come out even, and this one's going to do this, and I'm going to show you. We take the denominator and divide it into the numerator. And 5 goes into 10 twice. There's no remainders left over here, so we're not going to take a 0 and put it over 5. Since there's no remainder, the answer is simply 2. Okay, so those are my favorite. Alrighty, and now we got 7 over 2, and that's an improper fraction. We know this. We're going to take the denominator and divide it into the numerator. And 2 goes into 7 3 times. And that's 6, so we subtract it. It's going to be 1. We got a remainder. What are we going to do with it? Well, we're going to bring it up here beside that whole number and then put our denominator underneath. Can it be reduced? No. So your answer is 3 1/2. Now, there's nothing wrong with going back over this again and again if you're still struggling. And if I can, I'll try to get more videos out. And I am hoping this helped you. If anything else, please like or subscribe. Or like most of them are doing, send me messages saying thank you. And I hope I'm helping somebody. And God bless.